Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming my favorite video of the month, and that is the project pen update. And for today we have the month of February. So let's start in no particular order. I'm gonna start actually with this lipstick because I just want to switch it up a bit. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. I will insert the video with the close-up. I did a progress. It is pretty small, of course. It is a lipstick. A lipstick takes a really long time to finish, but I have in mind to finish this lipstick this year, so I'm gonna continue to use it. I did use it this month, a pretty good amount. I am wearing it today. It is an absolutely beautiful formula, beautiful lipstick overall, so the hype is real. Next, let's talk about a product that I did actually finish, and it is the NYX pencil. Look how tiny it is. I can't use it anymore. It is the shade Gold Crusher, and I love this formula, the line Loud from NYX. I use this one every day for like 2.5 weeks, and after that it was pretty unusable because it is so tiny, so I'm not able to sharpen it again. But this is done, and I want to just add another one. I am sure that I will finish this one next month as well because it is very tiny, but I really want to finish some lip liners. This is the Nabla Nude number 3, another formula that they are pretty similar formulas in my opinion. Really great pencils. They are creamy but not smeary. They are longer lasting. They look incredible. Today I'm wearing this one with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and it's great. Then let's talk about the primer. This is the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, and I did a really good progress on this one. So in like 2 months, I think this could be done, and it is the mini version. I do enjoy it. It's not my absolutely favorite primer, but it is a good one. You can mix it up with foundation. You can just put it all over your face. Today, that's how I used it. I just put it on my face, and I don't look shimmery or something like that. I just look glowy, a bit hydrated. Is just a really nice primer overall. Let's talk about the Melt Blush next. I will finish this one as well next month. I have just the smallest amount left. This is a beautiful blush. I do enjoy it, and somebody commented that I should repress some product into this packaging, and I think that is the best idea. I did repress 2 products from this project pen, so when I have even less of the bronzer, probably I will put it in here because this packaging is just 10 out of 10. The SS packaging is not the best. Let me show you the SS packaging. So I think I will repress it maybe next month or something like that. I need to, of course, finish the blush first, but let's talk about the Essence bronzer. It looks like this, and I am happy that I decided to repress it because I had a lot of product just around the edges, and now it is in the middle. And because right now I pressed it a little less hard, I can pick up with my brush a bit more product, and I think that's great because this shade is very light and it is perfect for my skin tone. As you can see, I'm wearing it today. It's just a 10 out of 10 color, but I'm just very happy that I decided to repress it because right now I can pick a bit more product, so I can just dip in here like 2-3 times maximum, and it is enough for my whole cheeks and temples. I really like the bronzer, but the packaging is absolutely awful. Let's talk about this concealer next. It is the Huda Beauty Meringue 2.1 is the shade that I have. It is the Faux filter. Great concealer overall. It's not my absolutely favorite one. I just prefer the Natasha Denona one or the Catrice one, but it is a good concealer. I can't complain, and I use this one a bunch. I think most days I use this one, and for some days I actually used only this one and no foundation, and it looks great. I can do a no makeup with this one. I really enjoy it. It is a good concealer. Sadly, I marked this one like blindly because I can't see anything through this packaging. Next, let's talk about the LYS powder. I have it in Resilience, which is the translucent shade. A really nice powder overall. I did a pretty good progress on it. I will expand the pen even more in the next couple of months, and maybe at some point I will just crush the powder into the middle and repress it a bit. Then let's talk about the BB cream. This is from Purito. It is a really nice shade and a really nice product. I am wearing this one today as well. This one I marked pretty blindly as well, but I think that I will be finishing this one up in the next couple of months. It is beautiful, very, very glowy, but so natural. I really like it. It looks pretty glowy on my T-zone. It is what it is because I have combo skin. But if you have dry skin, this is your dream. Probably. I can't talk for everybody, but this is a really good foundation BB cream type of product. It is covering pretty nicely, but it's not cakey or something like that. I really enjoy it. It is beautiful, even for my combo skin. Next, I want to talk about the VIEVE Lip Dew. This is a beautiful product, but I didn't do the best progress, and only because I had other gloss that was staying on my desk and I finished that one. You will see it in the empties, but right now I can focus on this one. This will stay on my desk and we will be able to see a bigger progress. Right now I have the smallest progress. I did use it, but not a lot. We have 2 products left. Like usual, I'm talking very fast in these videos. We have the second blush of the project pen, the Sweet Cheeks from NYX, and I did expand the pen on this one. It is a beautiful blush. I am wearing it today. It is pretty orange, and right now I am pretty light. I don't have any tan left, so it is a bit dramatic on my cheeks, so I need to blend it a bit more. Right now it seems very orange, so yeah, it is a pretty dramatic blush on me at least, but the formula is really nice. It is glowy, shimmery, and sadly NYX is not doing this formula anymore, or at least not shimmery. I think they are having only matte blushes. Lastly, we have the highlighter. I did repress this one as well, so this one or the bronzer, but I'm thinking the bronzer will be repressed in the melt packaging. But I'm happy with this one as well that I did repress it, because it was pretty hard to pick up around the edges, and right now it's just, I don't know, I can clearly see how much product I have left. It seems like a lot right now, and it is a lot. It will take probably the whole year to finish this one, but it is a beautiful, stunning highlighter, and I just want to finish this one up this year. I am determined, so yeah, I do enjoy it, but the packaging is awful. I really want to finish it up. So these are all the products. I am happy with the progress that I did. I am happy that I repressed some products, and I'm sure that next month we will have probably like 2 products finished, which is very exciting. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.